Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're tackling one of the most consistently expensive line items in any growing SME's software budget: team messaging. We rely on these platforms literally every single day. But have you ever stopped to actually calculate exactly how much you're paying just to chat with the person sitting in the next office or working remotely from their living room? Trust me, it adds up way faster than you think. Okay, let's just dive right into this. Number 4, $150. Ouch, right? Because for a standard 25-person team currently sitting on Slack's Business Plus tier, that is what you're paying every single month. That is not an annual fee. That's a monthly recurring cost just to ensure your team can actually communicate without limitations. It's a massive premium for fundamental functionality. Section 1, the high cost of chat, and breaking down the Slack tax. Now, there's absolutely no denying that Slack completely transformed how we communicate, but its per-user pricing scales incredibly aggressively. Every new hire instantly increases your overhead before they've even typed their first message. To avoid that compounding Slack tax, a lot of teams just default to the free tier. But, well, free comes with a major catch: an artificial limit on your message history. You can suddenly lose access to critical institutional knowledge without any warning. Meanwhile, a self-hosted Rocket.Chat deployment completely removes those restrictive history limits simply because you actually own the database. Section 2, meet Rocket.Chat. Open source messaging without the recurring cost. In active development since 2015, Rocket.Chat was built specifically to give SMEs a premium collaboration experience, completely without that hefty price tag. It perfectly mirrors the familiar channel-based structure you're already used to, complete with threads, file sharing, and custom emojis. But natively, it actually includes extras that would normally require premium tiers on other platforms, like built-in voice and video calling, plus high-level end-to-end encryption. So the crucial point on that features list is this omni-channel functionality. Honestly, this is a total game changer. Omni-channel support means your team can combine their internal day-to-day messaging with external, customer-facing live chat and support conversations. And it's all routed through a single platform. Your sales or support team doesn't have to switch tabs to an entirely different software suite just to answer a customer query. It just flows right into their normal workspace. Section 3, the financial breakdown. Visualizing the real-world ROI of switching. The financial difference here is practically night and day. A 25-person SME on Slack's Business Plus tier is sitting at roughly $450 a month. But by utilizing Rocket.Chat's free, self-hosted software, your only ongoing expense is the server infrastructure itself. That typically drops your recurring expense down to just $40 to $70 a month. Go ahead and do the math on that. That is an annual saving of well over $4,000. And you know what? It actually gets better. Because Rocket.Chat has that built-in voice and video calling we just talked about, you can very likely cancel your entirely separate paid video conferencing subscription. Consolidating two essential paid operational tools into a single, free, self-hosted platform, that frees up a huge chunk of your budget for other strategic priorities. Section 4, limitations to know. Radical transparency on the self-hosting trade-offs. But look, to be fully transparent with you, this isn't magic. What exactly are you trading for those thousands of dollars in savings? Well, you're trading a completely hands-off software as a service for software that you fundamentally own. That means ongoing server maintenance and applying security updates falls squarely on your team. Furthermore, while the ecosystem is really solid, the third-party app marketplace is definitely smaller than Slack's, the mobile app can feel slightly less polished, and highly advanced compliance reporting is reserved for Rocket.Chat's paid enterprise tier. However, we really have to flip the perspective on that first trade-off. Self-hosting is actually a massive security benefit. By managing your own server, you are keeping all of your internal communication entirely within your own infrastructure. You aren't handing your highly confidential business discussions and intellectual property over to some third-party cloud. You retain complete 100% ownership. Section 5, making the switch. A structured migration path from Slack. So if you're ready to take back ownership of both your data and your budget, what does that path actually look like? Surprisingly, most SMEs complete this full process within just 2 to 3 weeks through a very manageable 4-step path. Step 1, you just export your workspace data straight out of Slack. Step 2, use this as a spring cleaning moment to strategically archive any unused channels. Step 3, run both platforms in parallel for a short time just to train your team. And finally, Step 4, use robust APIs to manually recreate any vital custom bots. Easy, right? And for the technically hesitant out there, please don't let the server requirements intimidate you. While the underlying tech relies on Node.js and MongoDB, utilizing Docker for your deployment simplifies the setup immensely. It provides a standardized container environment, allowing a moderately experienced IT person to have the core server up and running in under an hour on a properly sized machine. Section 6, the final verdict. Is Rocket.Chat the right move for your business? Let's look at the final scorecard here. For ease of setup, yes, it definitely requires more technical involvement than a standard SaaS product, but Docker keeps it highly manageable. For cost efficiency, it is absolutely off the charts, giving you unlimited message history with zero per-user licensing fees. And for scalability, it has a battle-tested track record supporting massive enterprises and secure government operations. If you prioritize cost savings and data control, it is an incredibly highly recommended move. If you found this breakdown valuable and you want to keep optimizing your software stack, make sure to subscribe to Uplatz. In our next explainer for this series on free and open source software for SMEs, we'll be covering Mattermost, another leading open source platform that brings some incredibly strong developer-focused features to the table. But as we sign off today, I'm going to leave you with this final thought to ponder as you review your IT budget. Think about the sheer amount of knowledge your team generates every single day. Is paying a massive recurring premium month after month just to keep access to your own team's history really worth it? Thanks so much for learning with us today, and we'll see you in the next explainer.